Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you remove Gmail account from your Android phone. So guys, to remove Gmail account from your Android phone, just go to your Gmail app. Now after going to your Gmail app, in the top right here you will see your profile icon. Just click on your profile icon. Now after clicking on your profile icon, in the bottom last here you will see manage accounts on this device. Click on this last option, and after that here you can see Google. Click on Google. Now just simply select the account that you need to remove from this device, just like I'm clicking the top one. And after that, in the bottom here you can see more. Just click on more, and here you will see remove account option, the second one. Click on it and just click remove account. By clicking remove account, this account will be removed from your device. So guys, that's how you can remove or delete your Gmail account from Android phone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.